Getting a list of all subdirectories in the current directory. Is there a way to return a list of all the subdirectories in the current directory in Python? I know you can do this with files, but I need to get the list of directories instead.
Do you mean immediate subdirectories, or every directory right down the tree? Either way, you could use os.walk to do this. Will yield a tuple for each subdirectory. THS first entry in the 3 tuple is a directory name, so should give you all of the subdirectories, recursively. Note that the second entry in the tuple is the list of child directories of the entry in the first position, so you could use this instead, but it's not likely to save you much. However, you could use it just to give you the immediate child directories. Or see the other solutions already posted, using os.listdir and os.path.isdir, including those at how to get all of the immediate subdirectories in Python.
You could just use glob.glob. Don't forget the trailing after that. Much nicer than the above, because you don't need several os.path.join and you will get the full path directly. If you wish, you can do this in Python 3.5 and above. This will give the complete path to the subdirectory. If you only want the name of the subdirectory, use f.name instead of f.path. This URL. Slightly odd, in case you need all subfolder recursively and or all files recursively, have a look at this function that is faster than os.walk and glob and will return a list of all subfolders as well as all files inside those subfolders, this URL. In case you want only all subfolders recursively. Returns a list of all subfolders with their full paths. This again is faster than os.walk and a lot faster than glob. An analysis of all functions. TL, doctor. If you want to get all immediate subdirectories for a folder, use os.scandir. If you want to get all subdirectories, even nested ones, use os.walk or, slightly faster, the fast_scandir function above. Never use os.walk for only top-level subdirectories, as it can be hundreds of times slower than os.scandir. If you run the code below, make sure to run it once so that your OS will have accessed the folder, discard the results and run the test, otherwise results will be screwed. You might want to mix up the function calls, but I tested it, and it did not really matter. All examples will give the full path to the folder. The pathlib example as a Windows path object, the first element of os.walk, will be the base folder. So you will not hit only subdirectories. You can use foo.pop0 to remove it. None of the results will use natural sorting. This means results will be sorted like this: 1, 10, 2. To get natural sorting, 1, 2, 10, please have a look at this URL. Results. Tested with W7/64, Python 3.8.1.
希望这是我已经关掉了